Many people do not know how to evaluate text-to-video tools with AI avatars, nor do they have time to research their prices. We have conducted the research for you and present the cream of the crop, so you can save money. Welcome to our channel 28 November 2016. Out of many text-to-video tools that are available, we have filtered 12 text-to-video tools that work with AI avatars, from Synthesia to Syntheses, Ella to Sheena.ai, DID to Heygen, Yepic.ai to DeepBrain, Our1 to Colossian, SpiritMe to Neural Actors. We have further studied these tools and recommend the best budget options. For buyers who have a high video production quantity in a year, we recommend Yepic.ai, which costs around £0.0625 per video minute or 8 cents per video minute. However, there is an initial investment of £2,990 or approximately $3,738. For buyers who have a low video production quantity, less than 100 video minutes per month, we recommend Heygen, which offers 15 minutes for $29 per month, which translates to just $2 per video minute. For buyers who are unsure of how many video minutes they will create in a month or year, we recommend Yepic.ai's pay-as-you-go option, which costs £0.2 per video minute or 25 cents.
We have also divided buyers into 3 budget categories. Category 1, thousands of dollars per year. Category 2, $30 per month. Category 3, $10 for a trial.
For each budget category, we recommend the following text-to-video tool with AI avatar. Category 1, Yepic.ai £2,990 plan. Category 2, Heygen $29 a month plan. Category 3, Yepic.ai pay-as-you-go option.
If you have any questions about selecting AI tools, please ask us in comments. Thank you for watching.